Good morning, it's Mike Palmer from Mike Palmer Homes. Just showing you this house we've been working on, trying to go over the whole thing. Maybe I'll name this the anatomy of a house. Anyway, we got the shutters painted, we got the siding painted, we got the water lines going in. At this point they're trenching in for the water main comes up. This has private septic and county water, so they have to come and see the trench, make sure it's the right depth, make sure the pipe is all satisfactory and sound, and then we can cover it up. So guys here today to cover it up. We got inspection on that, so we're in good shape. We're starting to get some light fixtures up. You see these two here? Kind of like them, they're different. Kind of that square. Well, we got garage doors in. Went with the darker garage door. Go with the dark shutters. Painters left all their ladders here. Now the paint's like 90% done. They don't do all the paint because they got to have electricians. See, they're hanging. They're going to put in devices. They're putting in the receptacles, and sometimes they have to cut some sheetrock. Sometimes they have to. Sometimes they get fingerprints on the walls. So there's still a lot of work to be done. So the painters do the bulk of the painting, and then after we put the floors in, they'll do shoe mold and they'll do a complete touch-up run. The trimmers, when they do the shoe mold, they'll put all the doorknobs in. We've got them ordered. The plumbers, they put the sink in. They're working on that. They come in. They put the toilets in, commode. What else? They put all the fixtures. Put all the plumbing fixtures in. We're still waiting on the sink fixture, but they've got light switches, everything, smoke detectors, and we come in every room. Put the fixture. There's a ceiling fan. Ceiling fans, globes, bulbs. So there's a lot of detail work to be done here. After all that's done, we put the floor in because we do not want a lot of traffic on the floor. It's going to be a laminate floor. See, here's on the window seat. Still got a little trim left to do in the window seat. But there's a light fixture for over the breakfast room table. So that's what's going on here. We call this stage trims, where plumbing, electrical, and HVAC trim. So the HVAC people have to put their filter up there, put all the vents in, deliver the units, the air conditioning and heating units, place them outside. That's what we're doing. This tub needs to be turned sideways, but that's in process. We got all kinds of lighting fixtures in here going on. We got the toilet. Usually we keep a protective paper down on the floor, but obviously they have to pull this up to move it. Got the tile, see, right there. Trim got damaged, but that's just a small touch-up they have to do. That's all part of it. So anyway, they're going to be hanging the plumbing fixtures today as well. They got the sink. They got the faucet on there. So that's the stage we're working on now. After trims, we come and put the floors in. And we will be getting temporary electric. They'll let us turn on the electric partially once that's all inspected and all the devices are in. But we're getting close to the end. But this stage, we're close, so close but so far, because it's like when you move out of a house. You get all the big furniture out and you think you're home free and you think it's going to be done very quickly, and then it seems like the little stuff just tends to multiply on you. But it's still springtime weather, so it's nice and cool before we get the air conditioning on. So hopefully we can wrap this up before the intense heat comes. These guys are working up in the attic, running all their ducts for their HVAC. Anyway, so we've got the plumbing in here. We got the lighting fixtures all distributed. Fans for the bathroom. And our filter goes up here on our cold air return. So it's coming together here, and you're seeing it live. You're seeing it as people are working. It's not all cleaned up and sanitized. But I've got sconce lights. I still got a few more days with electrical crew in here and plumbing. HVAC shouldn't take too long. So hopefully within a week or two, we'll be laying floors here. Anyway, that's as far as we've gotten today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.